Maybe just a little bit more, a little stronger, please. Ooh, yikes, it looks like you're really starting to catch a cold. Okay, I'll make the fire even stronger. So that it'll be warmer for you, Violet. Throw in another stick. There. See? It's super strong now. This is good enough, right? Yes, thanks, Ruby. This is perfect. Oh, it's so much warmer than earlier. Much better. Thanks, Ruby. Even though I'm a little warmer, I still feel like I'm coming down with a cold or something.